Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Wednesday, the 20th of October 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets, economics and the world of business today. I'm Sean Aylmer. Technology stocks led the S&P ASX 200 higher today, supported by decent rises in financials and industrials. The S&P ASX 200 finished the day up 0.5% to 7,413 points. The worst performers were telcos and energy stocks. Among the banks, Commonwealth Bank, Westpac and ANZ all rose by around 1%. Macquarie Group finished more than 2% higher, and the big miners were mixed. Wesfarmers ended up 1.5%, as did Toll Road Group Transurban. Afterpay jumped nearly 2%, while REA Group surged more than 5%. Woodside Petroleum and Telstra were among the worst performers of the big stocks, both down around 1.7%. The best performer on the market was Codan, up almost 8% and reversing some of its decline yesterday. Worley was up by about 7.6%. Whitehaven Coal was the worst performer of the top 200, down more than 7%. That followed a big drop in coal prices after Beijing said it would move to boost supply. In corporate news, several of the retailers provided new earnings guidance. At best, it was mixed. Online retailer Kogan.com reported strong growth during the September quarter, triggering a 6.5% jump in its share price. But Super Retail Group, which includes Rebel Sports, Supercheap Auto, BCF and Macpac, said lockdowns had hit its sales hard, even though there was a big jump in online turnover and click and collect. And Homewares Group Adairs said total year-to-date sales are around 8.5% lower than a year ago. At least it said it had a good last week when stores reopened in New South Wales. BHP lifted its offer for Canada's Noront resource, upping the bid made by Andrew Forrest last week. A2 Milk may have been the worst performing stock of the top 200 for months, but it's had a remarkable 2.5 weeks, jumping nearly 30%, including a 5% rise yesterday. Citi put a buy recommendation on the stock, confident that the Daigou sales channel into China will turn its fortunes around as borders reopen. And Origin Energy, Evolution Mining and Oz Minerals all upped earnings guidance on the back of production numbers. The COVID news continues to improve. 1,841 cases in Victoria, 283 cases in New South Wales, and talk of rolling out booster jabs. The Aussie dollar's had another strong day and is trading at just under 75 US cents. Just recapping Wall Street's close this morning, all the major indices, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P 500 and the tech-heavy Nasdaq, finished around 0.7% higher. That's it for the afternoon market report for Wednesday, the 20th of October 2021. Don't forget to hit follow on the podcast and find Fear and Greed on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Join me tomorrow morning for the Thursday edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.